This video tutorial explains how to control a Canon R5 camera via wired connection using the LH5P II monitor. Before starting, prepare a mini USB 10-pin 2 Type-C control cable. Connect one end to the camera's Type-C port and the other end to the monitor's remote port. Tap the monitor screen to open the menu. Click Camera, then select Wi-Fi USB 2.4G. When the monitor recognizes the camera and displays the control menu, the connection is successful. Click Rec to start and stop recording. Click FOCI to activate camera focusing. Click Iris to adjust the aperture value. Click Shutter to modify the shutter speed. Click ISO to adjust the camera's ISO settings. Click FOCI. In MFS mode, use buttons to manually adjust focus. In AF mode, enable touch to focus on the monitor screen. Click WB to switch white balance presets. When white balance is set to color temperature, click CT to fine-tune color temperature. This concludes the tutorial for wired control of the Canon R5 camera using the LH5P II monitor.